Did you know that a recent Gallup poll showed that a whopping 85% of people are unhappy with their jobs? That's insane. Spending 40 hours a week, sometimes even more, doing something you don't absolutely love? Life's too short for that. So, I've got to ask you, are doing what you love? Are you pursuing your passions? Because what if I told you that you could actually make money doing what you love? Now, I know what you might be thinking. Graham, it's not that easy. And you're right, it's not always a walk in the park. There will be challenges. But here's the thing. The biggest risk is not taking any risk at all. Think about it. Most successful people, they all started with a passion. Take J.K. Rowling, for example. She was rejected by 12 publishers before finding one who believed in her vision. Success rarely comes easy. It takes guts, hard work, and hustle. But most importantly, it takes that first step, that leap of faith. Because you'll never know your true potential unless you try. How do you turn your passion into a paycheck? There are more ways than ever before. Here are 10 surprising ways to monetize your hobbies. From starting a YouTube channel to selling crafts on Etsy, offering courses, or writing an ebook, we'll explore real-life examples and steps to success. Your fun hobby could be a gold mine. Ready to ditch the 9-to-5? Stick around. Now, before we dive into the specifics of each method, there's one key insight I want to share with you. The secret sauce to turning your passion into profit is a potent combination of consistency and personal branding. Think about it. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes consistent effort over time to build an audience, to hone your skills, to refine your craft. But it's not just about showing up every day. It's about showing up as... That's where personal branding comes in. You need to figure out what makes you unique, what your story is, and then share that authentically with the world. People connect with people, not faceless brands. So, be yourself, be consistent, and watch as your passion blossoms into a thriving business. Chapter 4. Lights, camera, action, starting a YouTube channel. All right, let's dive into our first money-making method, starting a YouTube channel. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Graham, YouTube's saturated, it's too late for me. But here's the thing. There's always an audience for niche content, for passionate creators who are genuinely excited about what they're sharing. Think about it. What are you passionate about? Gaming, cooking, travel, personal finance? Whatever it is, there's an audience out there who shares your interest. And the beauty of YouTube is that it's completely free to start. All you need is a phone or a camera and a story to tell. Chapter 5. From Crafty Hobbyist to Etsy Entrepreneur. Next up, let's talk about Etsy, the online marketplace for handmade and vintage goods. If you're a crafty person, if you love creating unique, one-of-a-kind items, then Etsy is the perfect platform for you. Setting up a shop is incredibly easy and affordable, and you have access to a global market of potential customers actively looking for handmade products. The key to success on Etsy is to create high-quality, visually appealing products and to nail your product photography and descriptions. Think about what makes your product special, what problem they solve, and communicate that clearly to your target audience. And don't be afraid to experiment with different marketing strategies, like social media marketing and Etsy ads, to drive traffic to your shop. Chapter 6. Sharing your knowledge. Online courses and workshops. Now, if you're more of a knowledge-based entrepreneur, someone who loves to teach and share their expertise, then creating and selling online courses or workshops might be the perfect fit for you. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it incredibly easy to create and host your online courses, and you can reach a global audience of eager students. The key here is to identify a specific niche or skill that you're passionate about and that you know you can teach effectively. Think about what problems your ideal student is facing, what their goals are, and how your course can help them achieve those goals. And don't be afraid to promote your course through your existing networks, social media, and even paid advertising to reach a wider audience. Chapter 7. The Power of the Written Word. Self-publishing on Amazon Kindle. Have you always dreamed of becoming an author? Well, thanks to the rise of self-publishing, it's never been easier to turn that dream into a reality. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, allow you to upload, publish, and sell your ebook to a global audience without the need for a traditional publishing deal. The key to success with self-publishing is to write a high-quality, engaging book that solves a specific problem for your target audience. Invest in professional editing and cover design to ensure your book looks and reads its best. And don't underestimate the power of marketing. Utilize social media, email marketing, and even paid advertising to get your book in front of the right readers. Chapter 8. From Hobbyist to Consultant. Leveraging your expertise. Did you know that you can actually get paid to share your expertise? That's right. Becoming a freelance consultant allows you to leverage your knowledge and skills in a specific area to help businesses and individuals solve problems. Think about your hobbies and passions. Are you a whiz at social media marketing? Do you have a knack for interior design? Are you a coding guru? Whatever your area of expertise, there are likely businesses and individuals out there who are willing to pay for your guidance. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn make it easy to connect with potential clients and build your freelance consulting business. Chapter 9. Building your online empire. Monetizing your blog. Blogging might seem like a thing of the past, but it's still a viable way to turn your passion into profit. By creating high-quality, engaging content around a specific niche, you can attract a loyal audience and monetize your blog through various methods. One popular method is through display advertising, where you earn revenue based on the number of impressions or clicks your ads receive. Another option is through sponsored posts, where brands pay you to create content featuring their products or services. And of course, you can also monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission for promoting other companies' products or services. Chapter 10. Finding your voice. Monetizing your podcast. Podcasting has exploded in popularity in recent years, and for good reason. It's a powerful medium for sharing your voice, connecting with an audience, and even making money. Similar to blogging, you can monetize your podcast through various methods, such as sponsorships, listener donations, and even selling your own products or services. The key to success with podcasting is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that hasn't been overly saturated. Invest in quality audio equipment to ensure your podcast sounds professional. And don't be afraid to promote your podcast through social media, cross-promotion with other podcasters, and even paid advertising to reach a wider audience. Outro, turning your passion into your paycheck. So there you have it, 10 surprising ways to turn your hobbies into cash. Remember, the key is to be creative, to be persistent, and to never give up on your dreams. It might not be easy, but trust me, the rewards are well worth the effort. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your passions? What steps are you going to take to turn them into a side hustle or even a full-time income? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for even more tips on how to make money, be sure to check out my other videos on personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Until next time, keep hustling and stay hungry for success.